Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Another video, another controversial video. This is the time to hit the nail on the head. We're in 2025. We have to move. This is the time to hit the nail on the coffin. This is the time to go straight to the point. This is the time never to beat around the bush. This is the time never and not to beat around the bush. I'm gonna say it the way I heard it. I'm gonna say it the way it was spoken to me. I'm gonna say it the way it was delivered to me. I'm gonna say it the way I saw it written on comments on Facebook, Instagram, WeChat, Snapchat, YouTube. When I was reading the comments, I'm gonna say it the way I saw it written, not by my handwriting, not by me, but by the people who wrote those comments. I'm gonna say it the way the stories were told me or delivered to me. I'm gonna say it. I heard of a story that there are a lot of criminal activities happening in Johannesburg, in South Africa. Johannesburg, in South Africa, a lot of criminal activities, a lot of crime, a lot of bad things, a lot of bad stuff happening in South Africa. And some of the people there are Zimbabweans from this country. Some of the people behind those criminal activities, behind those bad things, behind that bad stuff, are fellow Zimbabweans from this country. I was very shocked. I was very surprised. I was very disturbed emotionally, mentally, psychologically. I was very disturbed. Like, what? What I say? Criminal activities in Johannesburg, the crime, bad stuff, bad things happen in Johannesburg. Some of the people behind are Zimbabweans. And I heard again in the same line, in the same direction, that these Zimbabweans, some of those people are Ndebele people. Because they know the language there. Because they are familiar with the language in South Africa. And they take advantage of that and they start to do all these bad things. They start to do all this bad stuff. Some of these people are Ndebele people from Bulawayo, from Matebele province, Matebele region. I was very surprised. I'm like, what? I was very shocked. Like, what? I was very disturbed. Like, what? Mentally, emotionally, psychologically. I'm doing this video just to give a warning to such kind of people, to such caliber of people. It's very bad. It's very diabolic. It's very satanic. It's very demonic to find yourself indulging in those things, to find yourself doing those things, to find yourself carrying out such activities against your own Zimbabwean people. A lot of Zimbabwean people, girls, boys, men, young men, ladies, a lot of their stuff has been stolen in Johannesburg. Their money, their resources, their assets, their cars. Some even go to the extent of being raped in Johannesburg by night. And some of the people behind all these nasty stories are Zimbabweans. I heard from I heard the Ndebele people. Because they know the language in South Africa. They take advantage of that fact that they know the language and begin to do these activities. I'm telling you what I heard. Not once, not twice, not thrice, a lot of times. A lot of times. That Ndebele people are so bad. The ones who are in Johannesburg, they are doing these things. A lot of crime, a lot of criminal activities. Even against their fellow Zimbabwean people in this Republic of Zimbabwe, taking advantage that they know the language in South Africa. They don't experience much of a language barrier, and they do all these kinds of things. If you're watching this video, I want you to comment. I want you to say, or if you're familiar with what I'm saying, have you ever heard what I'm saying? What I'm saying, did it ever come across your mind that these people, some of them in Johannesburg, doing all this bad stuff, the Ndebele people from Bulawayo, from Matebele province, Matebele region, taking advantage that they know the language in South Africa. They can speak very well. They can connect very well with South Africans in Johannesburg and begin to do all this diabolic stuff, this demonic, satanic stuff. What do you say about it? Have you ever heard such stories? Or it's only me? Fellow Zimbabweans, listen to me. It's very bad. It's very, very bad. Let's build one another. Let's protect one another in Johannesburg. Let's help each other in Johannesburg. Let's help one another in Johannesburg. We are brothers and sisters from the same country. Even if the people are not Zimbabweans, those whom you meet in Johannesburg, even if they are other foreigners from other country or other countries, don't do those things against them. It's very bad. And God is watching you. Jehovah is watching you. Jehovah will judge you, will punish you for all those things which are doing in Johannesburg. Simply because you know the language, simply because you can connect very well with South Africans in Johannesburg, and you begin to do bad things, bad stuff. It's very bad. It's very bad. Jehovah is watching you. Jehovah will punish you. Jehovah will judge you for all your activities which are doing in Johannesburg against your own people, Zimbabwean brothers and sisters, or even other people from other countries, other nations. Taking advantage that you know the language, you can connect very well with South Africans. You don't experience much of a language barrier. It's very bad. It's very demonic, very satanic. Those are works from hell. And Jehovah will discipline you. Jehovah will judge you. Jehovah will punish you. So this is what I heard about this brand of people from Ndebele, these Ndebele people. Everyone, or some of them who are in Johannesburg, when they are struggling, when they are suffering, when they don't have money, or they don't have cash to sustain their lives, to help their lives, they end up doing criminal activities, because they know the language. They don't experience much of a language barrier. They can connect very well with South Africans in terms of the human language, in terms of the human communication, and they start to do all these bad things. This is what I heard a lot of times when I was here in Zimbabwe and when I was there in South Africa. And even now, I'm still hearing the same stories. Stop that what we're doing. Stop that what we're doing. Like I said, Jehovah will visit you. Jehovah will punish you. Jehovah will discipline you. Jehovah will work against you. Jehovah is watching all those things. I'm done talking. You've heard it for yourself. Let's discuss in the comment section. What do you think? Did you ever hear about such kind of stories? Did you ever came across your mind? Let's discuss in the comment section. I'm signing out. I'm done talking. Remember to pray in Jesus' name. Sharp.